Okay, so this is the Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo. Now, this has got tons of accessories that you can buy for it extra, but this one's going to come with this. It's going to come with the actual blender, the two 24-ounce single serving cups, and what it has in it, which makes it awesome, is the 3 Auto IQ programs with the 4 manual speeds, okay? It's also going to come with the 15 inspiration recipe guide. That is awesome. You will also get the Pro Extractor blade and the stacked blade. And then the tops just come off like so. You're going to push the release button, push it back down, make sure it seals, and then push that and it'll lock it in place. That way you don't end up with food all over the ceiling. This has been one of our favorites. We actually use it for smoothies, to make slushies, ice cream smoothies, all sorts of things. We love the auto settings on it. So it's super easy to read. As you can tell here, you just turn it on. Then you're going to get the different settings. You can do smoothie, ice crush, chopped, or extract. I love that that has the easy pour spout at the top. That makes it wonderful. So as soon as I'm done, I don't even have to take the lid off. I can just flip that top and pour it into a cup. What else I love about this is that the back of it has an easy to store cord place. And I'm all about the organization and cleaning. So this is just really extra helpful for me when I don't have cords everywhere. You can just wrap it right around here and then store it in the pantry when you're done using it. Super easy to clean, and I highly recommend this blender.